Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through American Express Business Line of Credit. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, American Express Business Line of Credit is a flexible funding avenue available in the 50 states of America, where you can borrow funds for your small business. The firm offers credit from as low as $2,000 to a maximum of up to EWO $50,000 for 6 months to 24 months, and the funds are available within 3 working days. The minimum amount you can borrow depends on the repayment period. For instance, you can only borrow $500 if the period is 6 months. American Express Business Line of Credit stands out because it has zero application charges, no origination charges, zero annual maintenance charges, and prepayment penalties. The following are what I thought were the main pros and cons. Pros: fast online credit application. The fee is minimal. You can qualify for credit with a FICO score of 660. Cons: it would be best to have an online checking to verify cash flow because each minimum draw is a separate installment loan. Now, let's look at some of the main features that make it stand out from the rest. Smooth application process. You don't need paperwork to apply for credit with the American Express Business Line of Credit. The credit is available to any borrower with a minimum FICO score of 660. Free payment terms. With the American Express Business Line of Credit, you only pay the loan fee for an amount you've used during the repayment months. So, the following are who it's best suited for. Any person with a fair credit score who has a small business. A business that requires quick funding. Though the American Express Business Line of Credit has no additional charges and the application process is smooth, it's not suitable for a business that's not stable because of the high monthly charges that can be very strenuous for a small business. Despite this, if you have a small business and require faster funding, the American Express Business Line of Credit suits you as long as you can pay back quickly. So that's basically all about the American Express Business Line of Credit. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.